Welcome to the guide that will help you solve one of the most common issues Facebook users are facing in 2023 blurry stories. As a social media platform constantly evolving and introducing new features, Facebook provides users with the ability to share moments from their daily lives through stories. However, at times, these precious moments may not appear in the best light due to the blurriness of the images. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to identify the reasons why your Facebook stories might become blurry and what steps you can take to resolve this problem. First, open your Facebook application on your phone. After that, click on the small menu button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open our settings and privacy section. In order to fix our blurry photos, we have to scroll down until you can see the media section under the preferences. Now, under the video quality, you'll see two different options, optimized and data saver. You want to set this to optimized, and your stories shouldn't be blurry or pixelated anymore. If it was set to data saver, then the app used less mobile data for your stories and lowered the resolution of your video, which caused them to be blurry. Another thing you should do is to check your internet connection. If you use Wi-Fi, then make sure that you have a good and stable connection. If you don't, then switch your network or switch to mobile data. That's it, everyone! Your story should now be high quality and pleasing to the eye. Thanks for watching.